We have breaking news for you now, and Doc Neeson has died after battling cancer. The 67-year-old was the lead singer of the legendary Australian rock band, The Angels. He was diagnosed with an aggressive brain tumour last year and had been undergoing intensive radiation and chemotherapy. Born in Belfast, Bernard Doc Neeson migrated to Adelaide when he was just 13 years old, and a sad loss there for the music.
Neeson has passed away at the age of 66. He was the frontman to the rock band The Angels. In January last year, it was revealed he was battling an aggressive form of brain cancer, and we will have more on this story throughout the day here on 9.